We got a $200 dirt bike. Let's get it running. This thing is a Yamaha RT180. Kicks over, barely any compression, but we're gonna get it running. Got a nice layer of dust here. Let's get this thing into the garage and start digging in. Plug pulled and check for spark. Not too bad. Time to see how this project's gonna go for us. We're gonna put the spark plug there, and we don't even need to do that because there's such little compression. All right, there's no spark like that. Try kill switching it different. Still no spark. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the two wires coming from the kill switch. So black and white go together. We'll check for spark again. We got nothing. Well, we have no spark, so we're gonna start tearing into this thing. This tank is in pretty good condition. Oh, we do have gas in here though. The fact that the seat and gas tank were already loose means someone's been fiddling around in here. Well, here's a disconnected wire here. It'd be really nice if that was the problem. We'll get that hooked up. Try to kick her over again. Nothing there. Disconnect that. Alright, it's not gonna be that easy. We'll keep digging in. Against all odds, somehow we have a spark now. I just popped off the flywheel, looked at the stator, it all looked fine, put the flywheel back on, and we have a spark now. Come take a look. I even hooked up the kill switch wire. That's all working. Look at that juicy spark. I don't like that I don't know what I did, but I did something. So now that we got the spark issues out of the way, we can move on to the fun stuff, like trying to get this to turn over. We got a wet sock over the filter there. Come on, Bessie. Oops. This thing is really jam-cockled in here. Should be free now. Perfect. Look at that air filter. Well, here goes nothing. A little bit of little squirt down the carburetor. See if that does anything for us. Scooting. Well, that's a great success there. Let's pull the carburetor off, give it a cleaning, and this thing's gonna run. Might give the whole bike a cleaning too. Just about free, just this one cable. See what we got in here. Needs a little encouragement. That is a crusty carb. It's not terrible, it'll clean up pretty good, but that's some varnish down in there. Some fresh water, a little bit of simple green going in. That's like that. We need this. And here we go. While we wait for that carburetor to clean, we're gonna give the whole bike a cleaning real quick. Now that we know it has the potential of running and driving. Thing is cleaning up pretty good, but that's going to be it for part one of this 1992 Yamaha RT180. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.